Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing? Today, ain't really much of a mechanic video, because it kind of had a big snowstorm. I'm doing a cold start video on my four-wheeler here. This is the one that I replaced the head gasket on. But I headed out last night, but it's like 10 degrees out, 10 degrees Fahrenheit out. Gonna put some choke on. I'm gonna run the throttle a little bit. And it died. Some more choke on at the end. Thought around with choke for a second. Take the air filter cover off. But seems to be running pretty good now. Video. I'll be doing a cold start video on the 24 valve Commons. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe.